Look, you finally hit $50,000 in your savings account. You feel amazing, right? You're doing everything the financial gurus told you to do. You're being responsible. You're being smart. But here's the thing nobody tells you. That $50,000 might actually be making you poorer. And I'm about to show you exactly why. See, most people think saving money is always good. More money in the bank equals more security, right? Wrong. Because while you're sitting there feeling proud of your $50,000, inflation is eating it alive. In 2024, with an average inflation rate of 3.4%, you're losing about $1,700 of purchasing power every single year. That's $141 a month, just vanishing. But here's where it gets worse. Let's say your savings account pays you 0.5% interest. That's $250 a year on $50,000. Meanwhile, inflation is taking $1,700. So you're actually losing $1,450 in real value every year. You're working backwards. The more you save in that account, the more you lose. It's like running on a treadmill that's going faster than you can run. Now you might be thinking, at least my money is safe, and that's exactly the trap. Because that feeling of safety, it's costing you opportunity. While you're protecting that $50,000, someone else is putting theirs into index funds averaging 10% annual returns. Over 10 years, your $50,000 becomes $43,000 in real purchasing power. Theirs becomes $129,000. Same starting point, completely different ending. Here's what most people don't realize. There's a psychological shift that happens at $50,000. You start protecting instead of growing. You become risk averse. You say no to investments because I don't want to lose what I've built. But by trying not to lose, you're guaranteed to lose. It's the ultimate paradox. So, what should you do? Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in savings for emergencies. Let's say that's $15,000. The other $35,000, put it to work. Index funds, Roth IRA, real estate, dividend stocks, anything that beats inflation. Because money sitting still isn't safe money, it's dying money. The $50,000 trap is real. Don't let your hard-earned savings become a slow leak in your wealth. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Next video, I'm breaking down exactly where to put that money to actually build wealth. See you there.